decided to fuck around and give it over to our judgment was getting the white man over us.
Dude, they just all disappeared. When I went to take a picture of them.
Where the fuck did they go?
Hey, was that a miracle or was that blue beam?
Well,
you saw it too.
Blue beam. Hell yeah, I saw all them.
Did you see them?
Yeah.
Did you see where they went?
No.
There's not even one up there.
Dude.
No,
hey, did we really we all agree we just saw that?
Yes, we saw it, motherfucker.
Whoa. I feel real weird now. If I felt weird before, I feel really weird now. You hear that bird tweaking at me too? Wow, the Matrix is breaking, dude. Whoa. Was that the Medela? No, I'm just joking. Oh, look, he just goes flying by too. Look, I'm just joking about that. Sorry. Because I know that's got a lot of people like real mad about that. Oh, man.